Hi, this video serves as an introduction on how to calculate opportunity cost. To explore this topic, I want to introduce you to Jake. Unfortunately for Jake, he is not a very good sailor and is now stranded on a desert island and is fighting for survival. But this is fortunate for us because we get to observe his actions and learn from what he does how to calculate opportunity cost. He can spend his scarce time spearing fish or picking pineapple. If he spends his time spearing fish, he can spear 3 fish in one day. If he spends his time picking pineapples, he can pick 6 pineapples in one day. So those are his options. Because his time is scarce, he can't do both at the same time. He's either going to pick 6 pineapples in a day or he's going to spear 3 fish in a day, but he can't spend his time doing both things at once. Again, this is what we mean by scarcity. Here, Jake faces trade-offs and must make a choice between how he spends his time. Now, you may ask, what is the opportunity cost of one fish? In other words, how much pineapple does he give up for every fish? Now we know that if he spends his day fishing, he would give up 6 pineapples in exchange for the 3 fish that he'd catch in that day. Now notice that in the numerator we have the amount of pineapples given up. In the denominator we have how many fish gained by giving up the pineapples. And we'll always follow this pattern. In the numerator we always have what is being given up. And in the denominator we have what we want the opportunity cost for. So we've given up 6 pineapples for 3 fish, or in other words, 2 pineapples per fish. And so Jake has to give up 2 pineapples for every fish that he catches or spears. What is the opportunity cost of a pineapple? To calculate this, we're going to put in the numerator what he's giving up to pick pineapples. If he spends his day picking pineapples, he gives up 3 fish in exchange for 6 pineapples. And so we have, again, in the numerator what he's giving up, in the denominator what we want the opportunity cost for, what we're gaining, or what Jake is gaining. And so we have 3 over 6, or in other words 1/2 fish per pineapple. So that's how we calculate opportunity cost. Notice that Jake, here he is stranded on a desert island all by himself, but he still faces costs, even though he lives in a world where there's no money and no exchange yet. In the next video we'll explore exchange and how trade can make Jake and a new buddy on his island, George, better off.